A brokerage account is the primary tool most people use to start investing in the stock market. Let us break down how they work. Think of a brokerage as a specialized account designed specifically for buying and selling financial assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. One of the best parts about modern finance is that many platforms require $0 to open an account, removing a major barrier to entry. Once your account is open, you can trade various securities, hold cash, or set up automatic reinvestment plans to grow your wealth over time. While they look similar, brokerage accounts are for long-term investing, whereas bank accounts are meant for short-term safety and daily liquidity. Investors use these accounts to access asset classes that historically offer higher growth potential than standard cash savings, though they come with more risk. This classic rule reminds us that a brokerage account is a long-term vehicle, not a place to guess short-term price movements. Research your options, compare account fees, and ensure the platform fits your needs. Educational content, not financial advice.